Guys, come here. So we couldn't find the water meter anyway. Looked in this cupboard, looked in this cupboard, looked in this cupboard. Up here is entrance to the rooftop. Got up there, went in through that skylight for some odd reason, and where it needed to be, out of all places, was if you come through here. This is actually the walkway throughout the bedrooms. I was looking here for a while and ended up finding this little crevice and crack in the pipework. So in the paint, ended up cutting this board out. Had a look in here, and just down there, that's your water shut-off valve, guys. If the tenant didn't know where this valve itself was, they wouldn't have been able to shut the water off if they did have a burst leak, burst pipe, burst flexi. They would have had to call us out. Luckily we found it for them today, and now they know how to shut the water off.